Hi there folks, it's Jeff here on winter day working in the garage. As you can see, it's a little cool out here. I have the furnace running. And today's project will be to replace this cross member. It's getting kind of crusty. And this is where the joint is where I shorten my frame 14 inches. So I'd like to have a little bit more strength in this area. And I'd like to eliminate these crazy leaf springs, which are not properly secured anyway. And I'd like to put a 4-bar suspension in. Now I'd like to utilize these brackets by turning them upside down and lowering this pin to approximately here, then welding a bar down to the rear end, and thus allowing me to run a support across this way and run 2 triangulated links to the rear end. The rear end that's in it right now is a GM rear end. It's got 273 gears, which is way too tall for my application. However, I do have a 9-inch Ford rear end that would be a lot easier to weld to and make the application a little easier. It has 350 gears, which are more tire smoking type of gear, which I would like to have in my little hot rod. So I'm going to mock in some supports today and see how far I get doing some planning work. Anytime you do a project like this, planning is key. Make sure that you have your materials and your idea all straightened out, and then when you attempt to go at it, hopefully you'll have everything in place. I will be using coil springs to spring the rear end, and maybe, hopefully sometime, some airbags will replace the coil springs, and then I can drag the ass. So, speaking of dragging your ass, I gotta get to work. Thanks for watching.